Hello, this one is all about follow the dopamine. For those of you who are having a day off today or having a day off tomorrow, this is my little guidance to what to do if one of those days are coming more spontaneously, and the second part, what if you already made plans. So for me today, I had a few plans laid out, which had been things which I wanted to do, but I usually try to have a second glimpse on it and think about, do I really want to do it that way? It's like the corner of the bed method from Jens Korsen. So because we every day have the choice to do things as we are obliged to do so, forced to do so, or are forcing ourselves to do so. So in this case here today, I already had an exercise as a training with the fire department, starting 7:30 this morning. So I got up a little earlier. Had not that much sleep because I went to bed late, but it was great. We learned a lot of things about pressured air and breathing mechanisms and some procedures. So it was all in all a great morning already. And for later, I was offering one of my teams in one of the restaurants that I can pass by and give a helping hand if necessary. So by the time I finished the fire department, went quickly home, and I was already on my way to one of the restaurants. I was sitting in the train and I got the message from the restaurants, "Hey Oliver, phone is not working, but I'm super happy to tell you that we get along. We have enough people here." And it was more quiet today, most probably due to the European Championship in soccer or football, wherever you come from, and that we are getting the clear picture here. And on the other hand, also the weather. I mean, we have 32 degrees in Zurich right now, and in many parts of Switzerland it's not any different. Now I have an afternoon which is free to my disposal, and I didn't plan anything in advance. And this time, follow the dopamine. Follow whatever you want. That's my advice to you. Because for me today it just meant going back to bed and having a good rest. I think I was sleeping from like 2-ish till now. That's like 4 hours something. And that will give me a massive boost for this evening to record this video. And on the other hand, also to decide what I'm going to do with the rest of the night, because most probably I will not be falling asleep early on after being in bed for a couple of hours. But as I said in my other video about the sleep topic, I don't think that's a bad thing. Tomorrow I have a day off, and I will come to the day off scenario in a second. For today, for my case, it means I will go shopping now to a supermarket and get something to eat and to drink. I will have a quick walk now, talking to you guys, and then after I will just return home and see where my attention will guide me to. The second part, and this is a more important one, is the one when it comes to the corner of the bed method, or things you already planned. So for tomorrow I have my plans already set. I was having the plan not to go to work, take a day off, and do some recordings. I have some video ideas still on my Notion list, quite a lot I guess. And I want to take some of the videos I'm pushing forward for a couple of days, weeks probably. And this is something right now I'm looking forward to. Right now there was even some sort of moment where I thought like, oh, I could have made a recording today, but that's okay, that's fine. Because I decided so. And as long as I make the decisions, I feel really good about it. So for tomorrow, now I have the plan to make some recordings, to prepare everything for next week, to get my whole stuff packed. And that sounds like a plan to me. But tomorrow, my feeling might be completely different. So to counter this, to be sure that I'm not just following an instant thought with no further, let's say, evaluation on it, I like to note down what I want to do and what are the reasons I wanted to do it. What is the motive behind? And I had a conversation with Jesse Anderson, and it was like, motivation comes from motive, doesn't come from move. And many people think, or we talk about it in the way that we need to motivate people, we need to move them to do something. But also in our own cases, we don't need to move ourselves to do something, we need to have just the proper motive. And when I make the schedules, and also when I put like stuff in my Notion page, I like to put the motive behind, the bigger goal, what I was looking forward to. And then things fall more easy into place when I have a look at it tomorrow. But on the other hand, even if I decide tomorrow to postpone the recordings, to move it to another day, not to do it at all, whatever, that's a new decision. I'm gonna make it tomorrow, and I'm not gonna bash myself for it. Because at the end, as long as you make a conscious decision and not just out of the blue, you're gonna have a lot of fun. Because you have either a lot of fun pursuing your dreams, or you have a lot of fun making new dreams and pursuing them. And even if you still decide to do something really waste man style, we had the conversation on Twitter lately, or like completely unrelated to your original plans, and even if I would just play Diablo 3 tomorrow because the public test stream is open now, that's okay. I mean, all of this is okay till a certain time, till you realize that there's consequences and you do not want to bear those consequences no more. Same with food, sport, whatever you have. So for me, it means for tomorrow, I do plan everything that I can do my recordings tomorrow. Proper preparation prevents poor performance. 5 P's. That's an old saying from sales. But it applies as well to real life and normal life when you're a house. So therefore, I will charge all my microphones today. I will unload my phone today, so I have all the space I need for any kind of recordings. I probably will even take some files today and edit them, or I have them for tomorrow, which is fine. But I try and work as much as I can on preparing everything that there's no friction tomorrow. I mean, the only friction which is allowed in life, nice greetings to Tirso here, is a friction arm to reduce friction. I think that joke will stay a little longer, and maybe we need to make a short on that and post that on TikTok. So Tirso, if you see this one, I hope you have a good laugh right now. I will leave some links in the description from the people I've been talking about, Jesse, Tirso, etc. And also the wasteman topic. Hello Ali. I know that this mostly relates to you when I hear that word. And I hope you enjoyed this one. Hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you want to hear more. And this is from my side, from Zurich, on a too warm Saturday. Have a great one. Thanks. And bye-bye.